Luto na ang aking bangus paksiw. Paksiw na bangus pala. This is our lunch. Hey, Lakshmi. Come, we going to buy the name? The apple sa mall. Bilhan si Lakshmi ng kanyang dress. Pajamas. Come, let's go. We find a dress for Sahana and pajamas. Huh? We're buying pajamas for Lakshmi. Hey. Buying pajamas for Sahana.
Wait.
You like that?
Yeah.
No, that's one's
Let
for
it
behind.
go.
Oh, let it go. But very expensive.
No,
It's
I
58
like
ringgit.
it. I like
No, I don't like it for you. Expensive. It's 58 ringgit. Come, we go. We're gonna pay that. Come, let's go.
Wait.
Come on. I think there's a panty here. Come. Baby. 3 ringgit. Oh, one each is 2 ringgit. It's expensive. Come this way. Okay, we bought our Sahana's things. Bili tayo ng bag. Which bag? Shopping na tayo, guys. Nakabili ako ng bag. And for Lakshmi. Going back home. We're back home, guys. Tinali ko tong hair ko dahil sobrang init. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Nakahalugay ang buhok. Dahil sobrang init. And Lakshmi's here. She's eating mango. Nagtalop ako ng mangga. Makain kami ng mango. Tinalop ko yung manggang nabili ko. Super, ang sweet niya. Right? Is it?
I want more. I like it. I like it.
I'll give you more. Don't worry. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung nabili namin sa mall. Come, we show. Come, sit down here, my love. Okay.
Too low.
Too low. Okay. Okay, you sit down here.
This is higher.
Okay.
You're a big girl already.
Alright.
Push my chair.
Please.
Please so much. I'm sorry. I forgot to say please.
Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay, come. Wait. We'll show to the guys what we bought. What we bought in the mall. Okay. Why my hair? Okay. Dapat kami ng pwesto kasi sobrang liwanag dun. So, dito yung camera facing here. It's nice. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano yung nabili namin sa mall ni Lakshmi. Siyempre, binilhan natin si Indiana ng pajamas.
I don't like Labubu that and this.
Why you don't like? But you choose it. You don't like it. Don't say you don't like it. Yeah. Binilhan namin siya ng pajamas.
I don't like it.
I
hate it so much.
This one, Labubu. Tatlong klase ng pajamas. You know what? Then, where's the other pair? Then this one, also Labubu.
I don't like Labubu and Mickey
The
Mouse.
Labubu pajamas for her. 3 pairs. And isang Mickey Mouse. Kasi yung mga pajama niya na nakaliitan na niya. And luluwang na yung garter. And for me, I bought
Bag.
so, binili ako ng 2 bag. Ito siya. Medyo kalakihan din. So, makakalagay ako ng maraming gamit. Yung ginagamit ko kasi maliit lang. So, nakasiksik yung mga gamit ko sa loob. Ano lang siya? 29 ringgit. But it's okay. Maganda siya. Cute siya. Ayan. Tapos may pocket siya dito sa side. Ayan, ito. Be careful. Ayan ang pocket niya. Excited pa si Lakshmi sa akin. Ayan. So, pang yung nilalagay yung phone or anything, money. Ayan. And then the other one is excited si Lakshmi kasi cute tong isa. Come, show to the
I
guys.
want it. I want
Yeah, later I'll give
I'll
it to
show
you.
it now.
Oh, okay. Want to show it? Go, come.
I want to pinch
Okay, go.
Mila.
Okay, go. Gusto daw niyang ipakita sa inyo, guys. And the other one is, take it off. This one, very cute.
And I like it.
Elegant.
For me.
Yeah. Thank you,
This is
guys.
for me.
Yeah.
Even got a lock on it. How to
Ayan
open it?
siya.
How?
Magnet siya. Tapos, meron siyang
I want it.
isang maliit na wallet size pocket sa loob.
Can I take it off?
No, cannot. This one speaks. So cute lang.
This one I don't know.
Diba? So cute. And sling bag.
And
Ward
also-
off. This one done already, guys. Saw already. Just only 45 ringgit. Super cute.
Cute for me. This one and that one.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
That's all for today, guys. Thank you for
All
watching
today, guys. Bye.
for
Later
watching
next day.
our
We'll
videos.
come
See ya. Give like, hit,
back. Like, hit, subscribe, and share.